Guys, this is Vasilis, and today I'm super excited to talk about my latest application, Numerical Solver. Let's start it. As you can guess, a numerical solver is an application for solving equations, and in this version it can solve algebraic equations. It can solve any type, any kind of algebraic equation, linear and non-linear ones. This is the main screen, and here it's a very simple one, has only 3 buttons. The first one, the algebraic equation buttons, it will take you to the button for, will take you to the page for solving an algebraic equation. The setting buttons is for controlling if we want to measure the angles in degrees or in radians and control the accuracy of our solution. It can be 6 digits or down to 2 digits only. I'll keep it up to 6 digits. In the About button, you can see a few information about this application and about the other applications that I have developed. So let's try and solve our first algebraic equation. Here we see a list of the saved algebraic equations. Because we haven't saved anyone, that list is empty, and down here it prompts us to type on this plus button in the top right corner to enter a new equation. The very first thing that we need to enter when we want to solve an equation, algebraic equation, is to give the variables. These are the unknowns that we want to solve for. And let's pick x, which is a very common variable for the unknown. And now down here we have equation 1, and it says tap here to enter the equation, so I'm going to tap. And you see the cursor blinking. Oh, sorry. Now, once I tap on this, down here I see the keyboard. And as you can notice that the arithmetic operators are grayed out. This is because, and this makes sense, right? Because I cannot use them right now. I cannot start an operator, an equation by using the division operator or the multiplication operator. We write an equation either using the unknown, the x, or a number, or any of these functions. Let's enter a very simple equation. Let's say x plus 1 equals 7. And we need to dismiss the keyboard either by tapping on the X button here or in the empty space. Now we solve this equation by tapping on the solve button. Pretty trivial, right? The solution is 6. Let's try another one, slightly more complicated. And we're going to delete the equation here by tapping on this X button. And we're going to enter a quadratic equation. So I'm going to use this function here, x squared. And in the parentheses, I'm going to enter x minus 1. Now I'm going to tap on the area which is outside the parentheses. So the cursor is moved here. And then I'm going to enter plus 2 times x equals 8. Let's solve this one. It's a quadratic equation, so it has 2 solutions, and these are the 2 solutions. The numerical solver can also solve equations which have a complex solution. And let me demonstrate this by solving a very simple one, a quadratic one, x squared plus 1. Now, I could type equal to 0, but because it is equal to 0, the numerical solver knows that if I don't use the equality operator, then automatically that equation here is equal to 0. So I'm going to dismiss the keyboard and tap on the solve button, and I got 2 complex solutions. Now let's solve this equation. Well, yeah, I forgot to say, we tap here on this button to save this equation, and I'm going to enter a name, call it complex equation, tap on the save button, and you see that the name here is changed. I tap on the back button, and you see here this is our saved equation. I can tap on it again and I'm back to the equation page. I can solve it as before. And one last thing that I want to show to you is that here in the list of saved equations, I can slide my figure on any line, and by tapping on the trash button, I can delete that equation. Thank you guys for watching my first video on Numerical Solver. Stay tuned for more videos about this application. Bye.